guys, welcome back to my channel Shashi 2000. Here I am with a new video what's in my makeup bag. So here we go into this. So the first thing which comes that is Nivea's deodorant Fresh Natural, which gives 48-hour protection. So the second product is the Foxtails oil free moisturizer, which I personally feel that is very comfortable for my skin type, and you can see I've almost finished the moisturizer. And the next one is the again Foxtails sunscreen, which I use in daily life because it gives a very natural glow and also protects your skin from UV rays. And so the next one is the Johnson's wet wipes. At some time it happened that you can't wash your face at that particular moment and you want to remove your makeup, just take the wipe and remove it instantly, and many a times you feel very tired, very sweaty, so you just take the wipes and just feel refreshing. And the next one is the white tone face powder. Like sometimes it's happened that you don't want to apply any compact or any such kind of face powder, so you just apply this loose powders, and it's also very refreshing. The smell is also very refreshing. And then there is a Swiss Beauty small eyeshadow palette which contains the nude shades, and then the Lakme's N25 foundation, which gives a very nice coverage and also very long lasting. And then the Vaseline's Cocoa Body Moisturizer, it moisturizes your skin and the smell is also very pleasant. And then again the Foxtails overnight glow mask, as it reveals glowing skin and even tone and texture. And I personally love this brand that because their products are very useful and very natural and very suitable for my skin type. And the next one is the Mars primer, as it mattifies your skin to create a perfect base. I feel it's a nice primer and the price is also very affordable. And then again the Mars highlighting palette, which is the shades are very beautiful. Then there are nude shades in it, some pinkish shades and golden shades are also available. And then the Mamaearth's lipstick, two lipsticks in my bag of Mamaearth, and also I've given the video in my channel. If you want you can check in it. So the color is very beautiful. It's one is pinkish and one is brown nude, which is very beautiful for my skin type. And then comes the iconic eyeliner of Lakme. As it happens, like sometimes we don't want to do such a heavy makeup, so just apply a little bit of face powder, lipstick and eyeliners, and you're just done with that. So eyeliner is must. And then again the Mars makeup fixer, which I'll say that it's also very long lasting and it also feels very refreshing, so you can go for it. And then comes the Lakme's compact powder, which I will personally prefer you all to also use because it gives a very natural look and also gives a very nice coverage, as sometimes we don't want to apply any sort of foundation or BB cream, so you can just apply this compact powder. It will give a very nice look and natural. And then the Blue Heavens mascara, it's also very long lasting and the brush of it is very curved, so it is very easy to apply. And then comes the Swiss Beauty's Perfect Liquid Concealer. The shade is also very natural and perfect for my skin tone. And then there are three sets of brush. The middle one is for applying foundation or cream and all, and the small one is for applying eyeshadows and all, and the first one, the large one, is for applying face powders, blush. So I don't keep much more brushes in my bag. This is enough for me, that's why. And then comes the Huda Beauty's cute lip gloss. I have not bought it from any website or something. I have bought it from my nearby store as it is very cute and the color is also very pretty. It's natural pink and also very shiny. So just that's it. And then one of the most important things, the kajal. And the last one is the Lakme's 9 to 5 CC cream. As many a times I don't have much time to do such makeup and apply the foundation and make the base and all. So just CC cream and compact, and that's all. Hope you all like this video. Please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you guys.